Yeah, trendsetter. Whoa, league of my own, it don't get better.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today is actually moving day. We are heading out of here. So thankful to our in-laws for letting us stay here a few weeks. Parked out in front of their house here in Georgia, and gonna miss them. But we are off to our next adventure. You guys are gonna see that here real soon as you kind of see where we're gonna be. Super excited for it. So right now, today, what Hope and I are doing is we're going through everything, make sure everything is secured. All the doors are latched. Everything is good on the inside and the outside. We triple check ourselves. And we're doing really well. Let me tell you, in the moves that we've already had from Florida to Georgia, and then we went to the campground and back and all that stuff, we've only lost a dozen eggs. Yeah, we opened the fridge and they fell out. Everything else, we've been good. So thankfully, you know, nothing's fallen out of the drawers, but again, we're everything's been pretty secure, and pretty excited about, you know, that we're doing a good job in checking ourselves and pre-checklist. So also going to be checking the tires. It's pretty cold out right now. But I do have the TPMS unit. You know, I like it and I don't. It does put an extra kind of stress level onto you because you're looking at that constantly on the dash. Something I might have to think about here as we kind of move forward with this, but you know, it's a good thing to have because I do notice, you know, it's like, oh, it says it's low because it's kind of it's so cold right now. But then once we get on the road and we start rolling, the temperatures in the tire and the air pressure starts going up. So it's just something to monitor. You know, I'm not used to it. You know, I've never owned one of these things before, so you know, it's just putting that added extra stress level onto you. So yeah, so the drive to where we're going is about, if you're in the car, is about 2.5 hours. But in the RV, it's going to take us a little longer, so I'm not going to be, you know, speeding at 70 miles an hour. So, and we're going to take our time up that way. So, yeah, so once we get up that way, guys, you're going to see where we're at. I'm so excited. Hope's so excited. Ralphie is super excited. And, yeah, then I'm assuming, you know, I don't know just yet, but I'm assuming we're going to start our work camper experience probably on Monday. It is Saturday, March 2nd, so most likely to be Monday. So to give us today to get set up, you know, at the campground and get everything situated for ourselves. We're going to go grocery shopping, get all that stuff done, go check out the scenery. And then Sunday, probably just chill, you know, get laundry and all that stuff done. And then Monday, I'm sure, you know, we're both going to start working. So, and I saw the weather is going to be amazing. So looking forward to that because it has been, it rained the entire day yesterday. It was crazy. There was some things that I wanted to get done that just couldn't get done because it was just raining the entire day. But so we got up a little early this morning to kind of knock those things out. But yeah, so that's where we're at. So once we get on the road, I'll hit you guys back up. All right, well, it's time for us to head on out, heading north. You guys will find out soon where we're heading. Car's ready to go. We've already triple checked everything in the RV. Everything's ready to go. Everything's secure. Just warming it up right now. And Ralphie's inside the car with Hope. And
I want to get my camera time.
Hey,
hi.
Get your camera time. So yeah, so we're going to be leaving here just a couple of minutes when just getting Vader all warmed up and ready to rock. So next stop,
let's go.
You guys will see where we're at.
I got a little hint on.
Uh-oh. Where's that at? Don't know. We'll find out soon enough. What is up, everybody? So we made it. We are at our destination. We have already set up our RV. We are grabbing some food. We have not eaten at all today. Nothing. So Hope's getting a couple of things here at Kroger, and I think there's a Marco's Pizza right around the corner. I'm gonna go try to get myself a pizza bowl. So there's Ralphie. He's pretty excited. And guys, we're gonna announce it here really soon on where we are. So we've already set the RV up. Already met some of the people that we're going to be working with, and wow, we're already amazed at how nice everybody is, and what an awesome campground it is where we're going to be staying at. So this is going to be awesome, and there's so much to do around here. If you haven't figured this out yet, I'm telling you, some of you have figured it out. Some of you on Instagram and a couple people here and there have kind of figured out where we are. So yeah, so we'll let you guys know here in a bit. So I'm out here waiting for Hope at the Kroger because I've got Ralphie in the car, and it's right here up on the mountain there. How cool is that? Very cool. And let me tell you, the drive here was very interesting. GPS, maybe because we've never been up here before, I don't know what was going on, but I had the GPS in the RV, Hope had the GPS in the car, and it just kept sending us in different directions. Like I said, I have no idea what was going on. And finally I was just like, Hope, get in front, because she was following me. She got in front, and even on her side it started messing up. So, but it took us out. We probably got here 45 minutes later than we should have. And you know, with traffic and just, you know, driving slower with the RV, you know, I took our time here. And yeah, it was crazy. And I mean, even some of the roads that we were going through, some of the highway in this one, because I'm not going to tell you where we are just yet. They got to fix those roads. I'm going to announce that later. They got to fix those roads. Some of the cabinets opened up, lost a couple things, and even now we had everything secured. It was nonstop. We didn't lose anything on that camping trip that we went a couple weeks ago, and that was going side to side through the mountains and stuff like that. Didn't lose anything, and we were on the highway most of the way here and lost a few things. So yeah, they got to fix some of those roads up there. But again, we'll talk about that in a little bit. We're here. Yeah, so we're actually inside the RV, or the RV park.
Yeah.
So
resorts.
Yeah, so we were at the Kroger earlier, and so we're here, and take a look around. You guys can see.
So far, we are absolutely. It's everything that it said it was going to be.
Yeah, it's really nice. So,
it's...
so far so good, and we'll let you guys know. Well, you want to tell them now? Just tell them.
We are in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee.
And let me tell you, that ride in was very interesting. I mentioned earlier the GPS was
all over the place for both of us.
It was an absolute mess. It should have been so easy, 75 to 40. But it was all over the place, and I've never been up here before, so we got not necessarily lost. It just.
Well, we were in different cars too, and usually we work very well together when we're navigating in the same car. I'll be like, turn here, turn there, and whatever, and he uses a different map than I do, and it was just ours was taking us all over the place. So yeah, it's kind of been crazy, but we managed to make it work. It was
a mess. So, but yeah, we got it all taken care of, and we're good to go. So. Don't know why this Jeep's stopping behind us. So that Jeep that stopped behind us, he was like, "Oh, I thought you guys were looking at a bear."
Yeah.
So that's interesting. So that's something new.
So we might see bears out here.
Yeah. So yeah, so we're in Pigeon Forge, and going to be here for a few months. And like I said, driving through this, man, it took forever. Traffic is just insane in this area, and where we are is not too bad, but. For the driving in and getting off of I-40, driving through Sevierville, and then into Pigeon Forge, I'm assuming, yeah, it was crazy. So it kind of reminded me of where we were from in the Kissimmee area over there in Orlando.
That 192 strip with all of those, gift shops and all those kinds of things. But
very similar.
That's just a tip of the iceberg.
Yeah.
Iceberg. Speaking of iceberg,
yeah.
There's a Titanic exhibit here, and I'm hoping that's my birthday present.
Coming up. We'll see. We'll see.
We went to the Titanic one in Orlando, and it was awesome. But this one, I think, is far better from what it looks like on the outside. So stay tuned. That might be something you see soon. It's pretty cool. But yeah, Andy, I think you should flip around and show just the scenery that we have here. It's unbelievable.
Yeah, it's so nice. And neither one of us have ever been here before.
Nope.
So.
And Ralphie hasn't either. It's his first time in Tennessee, and yeah.
So we're just taking Ralphie for a walk, checking out the back of this place, and yeah, guys, we made it. We made it. We're here.
So tomorrow we're going to meet up with them and do our paperwork and stuff, and Andy's going to be getting a golf cart.
I get a golf cart, guys.
Yeah, he gets a golf cart.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, so we'll continue that with this video. I think we should.
But yeah, guys.
Coming up on some doggies, so.
All right, well,
see you
on to the next thing.
Clip.
So this is what's running along the side of the RV park.
It's a creek.
Little crook over here.
Little crook.
Somebody's house up there.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, it's really cool. So where we're standing, they only have power and water. They don't have sewage on this side, but they do have a sewage station at the entrance. So when you leave, you can empty out. But all the other ones over there, all that over there, they do have everything that you need. Plus, they have cable here too, and Wi-Fi.
We'll probably do a little short or something soon, doing a quick overview of everything.
Yeah.
Guys, this place is a resort.
Yeah, it's super nice.